step into the 2008 Toyota Tundra 4WD Truck Senior 5. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power windows, heated mirrors, power door locks, rear reading lamps, tow hitch, MP3 player, front reading lamps, passenger airbag sensor, and auxiliary audio input. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.